We are back. Riyadh Cloud and Data Center Convention 2026, 21st September 2026 at Rosh Rayhaan by Rotana, Riyadh. Join more than 500 plus senior industry leaders, including hyperscalers, colocation operators, investors, policymakers, technology innovators, and enterprise end users, alongside 35 expert speakers steering the region's largest data center, cloud, AI, and telecom projects. Gain exclusive insights, build powerful partnerships, connect with the people driving the next wave of digital infrastructure growth. KSA's premier event for those who design, build, and operate next-gen data centers. Will you join our early confirmed sponsors and partners? Register now.